What's going on, guys? 307 here. Cooli, I got your 2x8 repilled. Changed pretty much everything in it, like we talked about on the phone. Gonna use the 350 belt cover 29. Show you password tune. Audio. About a quarter of a watt. Turn your box on. Input tune. Audio. About a quarter of a watt. Show you what we're putting in. Turn the mic gain down. Dead key in about 2 watts. Audio 307. So putting about 50 a peak in it. Audio test. 10 average. Turn your box on. Audio 307, so 2000 peak, and audio test. It'll hit 900 average. Audio 1212. Probably if I had a better connection there, it'd probably do more. There you go, sir. I'll get her boxed up for you. Thank you.